wake up in the morning, have you ever asked yourself, what am I doing now to make life easier for my future self? What can I do now to ensure that I never have to worry about money? In this video, I will show you what you can do with Pillow so you understand what I'm saying. Let's look at these 6 characters and how they transform their lives. So we have John, Mike, Ola, David, Chris, and Ebuka. We'll begin with John and Mike. They are both 20 years old and earn $12,000 per year. Mike began saving $1,200 each year in a 7% APY portfolio, while John spent it all. After 10 years, Mike saved a total of $12,000, but his portfolio is now worth $17,740. When he told his friend John was so impressed that he began saving the same way for the next 30 years, while Mike, on the other hand, decided to start spending all his money. You would expect John to be better off. But no, this is how it played out. John has saved a total of $36,000 and his portfolio currently stands at $121,287. And Mike, who initially saved $12,000 and stopped, his portfolio has grown to $135,043. How come Mike earned more even though John saved 3 times more? Guys, this is the power of compound interest and the reason you should start saving as soon as possible. But this is not where I'm going with this story. I want to show you the possibility of a 50% APY portfolio. Let's look at the next 3 characters. So we'll have Ola, David, and Chris, all at age 20. They earn $12,000, $17,000, and $30,000 a year, respectively. Each of them saves $1,000 and lives on the rest. At age 60, when they all retired, their portfolio will be sitting at $213,609 each. This is when they began withdrawing their money yearly based on their standard of living. Ola withdraws $11,000, Dave $16,000, and Chris $29,000. With these withdrawals ongoing, you will expect their portfolio to start going down, right? Not entirely. Now, Ola's portfolio continued to grow, clocking over $760,000 at age 95. Dave's portfolio declined and Chris ran out of money at age 70 and had to depend on his kids for money. The lesson we can learn here is the importance of budgeting and saving in terms of the percentage of our income and the lifestyle we choose to live. The question now is, how can I start a 7, 20, or even 50% APY portfolio saving? Statistics shows that the stock market has a 7% annualized return over a 15-year period. This does not mean that it gives 7% every year, because there are years when the stock market is down. Rather, it means that the total return over a 15-year period is equivalent to 7% each year. If you look at the crypto market over the past 10 years, it has done even much better. Bitcoin's annual growth rate over the past 10 years is approximately 90,000% a year. Would this be the result over the next 10 years? Maybe, maybe not. But the crypto market is young, and one of the most intriguing aspects of cryptocurrency is the introduction of yield farming via decentralized finance. So imagine 90,000% annual growth rate plus additional 6% APY. If you don't have the time to do all the research for the best DeFi protocol yourself to start doing your investments, you could just use a platform like Pillow. Now, Pillow has a research team that actively monitors over 500 plus protocols across 10 chains to find the best yield farming opportunity. From this, you can get exposure to up to 50% APY through Pillow. You can deposit USDT and USDC to earn up to 13.68% APY Solana 20.75% APY, AXI 50% APY, and so on. Pillow is a Singapore-based company with $250 million digital asset insurance policy and custody through BitGo. Pillow does not trade with your fund. Instead, they yield farm with it. To get started with Pillow, visit pillow.fund, download the app by clicking on download to App Store or get it on Google Play, depending on your device. Install, sign up, and confirm your account. You can deposit any of the listed cryptocurrencies, and if you live in Nigeria, you can deposit Naira and have it converted to USDC directly. To do so, go to Deposit, choose Fiat Deposit, enter the amount you want to deposit in Naira, click on Continue, then make a bank transfer to the account listed, then click I have sent fund. You will have the USDC in your wallet in a matter of minutes. You can also buy the coins from another exchange and deposit it to Pillow. Pillow also has a reward section where you can earn feathers for referring friends. If you use my referral code JUDE3000 and make a deposit of at least 4,000 Naira, you get additional 3,000 Naira. The feathers you earn can always be converted to USDC. Now, let's conclude this video with Ebuka's story. Ebuka, like Chris, earns $30,000 per year. He understands that if he saves 8% of his income, he will never run out of money if he chooses to retire at age 60. But Ebuka does not want to retire at age 60. He wants to retire at age 50 so he can have a lot of fun. To do so, he will have to be saving 12 to 15% of his earning so that he does not run out of money at retirement. My main point is that no two persons are the same. You must plan according to your income, lifestyle, and age. Age will determine the starting point. Ending time will also vary depending on your age, your plan, and your lifestyle. Not only this, you can also have a saving plan for different other things besides retirement, like a car, a house, business, and so on. Saving long-term in USD saves you from the negative effect of inflation on the Naira. However, guys, none of this is financial advice. This video is educational. Always conduct your own research. If you want to increase your income, the amount of money you make, so you can save more, then watch this next video on how I made 28 million Naira on Binance here in Nigeria.